Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, that the daily candle is finished here. That one here, that green one. So, guys, here what that candle indicating to us. Look down here. The volume is very, very, very low here. That's what I told you before. And I told you the market it tried to give us here a double bottom here. Look at it. So should you thinking of to enter long, guys? No, my friend. Not yet. Not yet. It's still very, very, very early. And me personally, I think maybe there is another drop. We don't know. We don't know exactly, guys. Yes, I show you in the weekly there is a divergence and we got in the daily a divergence. But all that, it doesn't mean nothing. We need a price action indicating to us the market is going to reverse. Now there is no price action indicating the market is going to reverse. And if you remember, also we still have here that inside bar. Look with me here, exactly here. Look at that candle, that one, and look at that candle here. That the top of it is here, and that the lower of it. By the way, that the candle when that FTX it went bankrupt. Yes or no? So all those candles here, those ones, what they indicating to you? Also we still sideways here, guys. Look at it, and it's going to take long here sideways. So should we buy? No, my friend. If you are a long-term investor, yes, you can just they say once a week, once a month, depending the money you're earning or something. And the only thing I told you guys, and I will repeat it again, depending how much capital you have. Small capital, because you are not afford to paying fees. Because to send Bitcoin from the exchange to the wallet, it costs fees, guys. And it costs about $7 or something like that. So, depending your capital. If you start small, choose Binance. Binance, that one. For small capital. Second one, if you got capital above the $1,000 me I'm talking here, use a cold wallet like Ledger, Nano X or Nano S or Nano Plus. It's millions, and there is that Tezos. Use that one. That one is a hard drive of USB. You put it with you in your pocket and you go with it. And you got the 12 keyword. Everything is very, very, very secure, and there is no chance someone to hack you, guys, because it's not connected to the internet. It's you who connected to the internet. And there is that what we call it hot wallet. The difference between hot wallet and cold wallet, the hot wallet it's connected to the internet, and the cold wallet it's not. The hot wallet like Trust Wallet, there is million MetaMask, a lot of things. So you buy in and you start storing in them. Everything is too clear. I repeat it and I repeat it, guys. You get what I'm saying or no? For long term, start they say buying slowly by slowly, and I show you what to do. And even here in the channel there is a video how to use P2P or peer-to-peer, how to buy Bitcoin and all those things, depending where you are. And for people in America, use Gemini or Binance US or Kraken. And even Coinbase, you can use even Coinbase. Coinbase is a little bit okay. Forget about the rest. Everything is too clear, guys. So now here, channel also still sideways. And we don't have nowhere to go, guys. We need to wait in a candle to come to break here, or a candle to come to break here. If no candle came and breaking, we are not going to enter, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. And also, we came to you with all the latest updates about the Bitcoin, guys. And also, we invest in online Bitcoin. So if you like to invest all in Bitcoin, welcome. If you like other cryptocurrencies, also we don't invest in them. Now let's go on to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. The news which is coming tomorrow, guys, as you see it, what we got here, we got those ones here. We got the CPI of UK or inflation of UK. And as you see, the previous one, it used to be 10.1 and the forecasting at 10.7. That's something bad, guys. Then what we got here for USA, we got core retail sales and the retail sales of USA. So that one is going to get a big impact to the market. Then we got the Bank of England speaking, then the ECB speaking, and 3:30 we got crude oil inventory of USA. So all those things a little bit, what can we say? And another thing we got here, our friend. That one also we saw it every day. We need to look at it, what it's saying. Here, guys, what you see in here, that one here, that table. All US stocks today, they are green. As you see them here, so you see that one, the Dow Jones, SP 500, and the Nasdaq, everything is green today, and that's something very good. But the bad news here, what is it, guys? Is it our friend? That one also we follow every day. It's the VIX. The VIX, what's it showing, guys? It's showing it's going up a little bit. We reached till 22, and now we go back to 24, guys. 22 we used to say we are very close. 25 we used to say we are very close, but now it doesn't show and it's going lower. It's getting more higher. What that's showing to you, guys? Does it showing to you the scarcity is getting a little bit in the market? Yes or no? There is a little bit of scarcity in the market. So you need to be very, very, very careful about that one. What it's telling you. By the way, if you want to invest in the stock, Bitcoin, why also we are focused here about the VIX? And also we're trading in cryptocurrency, guys. Why? One thing, because the Bitcoin and the Nasdaq, they are very, very correlated to each other. And that one here, it tell you how is it the US market, what it doing. When is it above 20, there is a lot of scarcity in the market and people they still worried. And it's been falling down a little bit, but now it's getting more higher, guys. Why? Because today there is a missile from Russia. It fell down in the land of the NATO. We don't know what that is going to impact the market, but that's a very, very huge geopolitical information, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things here, guys. That way that one is getting higher a little bit, guys, because of those things. And there is that G20 meeting. We don't know what they are going to come with. So we need to make a close eye at those things they are coming, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And the US dollar, what it's showing to us here, it's still where we live it yesterday, 106. So that one doesn't move, but the retail sales, it will move it a little bit, guys. Plus the Wall Street Journal today, they telling us BlockFi is a lending platform for crypto. They are going to announce their bankrupt, and that one is going to drop the Bitcoin a little bit. So we need to make a close eye at those things, and I'm going to come back to you after European market close. So everything is too clear. I'm just going to say our indicators what they say for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you remember me, I told you we got here a divergence like that. I tell it to you in the last two videos. Here that in the daily, guys. We got one in the weekly. Yes or no? Did we got any price action here indicating for us as we need to enter long? It's near to give us here a double bottom here in that level, but it's not complete yet. So we need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do, guys. Plus that one we got here, a down channel like that, as you see it. We touch the lower of it here, we're showing now that a rejection, as you see it. The top of it is here. But that one is for long term, guys. Plus we got another pattern here. Is it that one? Is a wage, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things, what the market is going to react here. Either to go back up or either from that level where we are is going to fall down and to break for us lower here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here it's still a little bit early. Yes, our indicator is it at the oversold level. We are in a very stronger level, but till now it's not yet, guys. There is no price action indicating for us as we need to enter. We need to wait in a little bit, try to collect in cash and wait the right moment. By the way, you, my friend, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button. Please helping us. You know the channel without you it can growing up. So please support us by just liking the video, writing down a comment if you could, and you can even share the video if you want. By the way, if you done it or you don't, thank you very, very, very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, as we used to say, here we used to have here a wage like that. As what me I told you in the last video. The wage, by the way, that the lower of it. But in the last video, what me I told you here about that zone here. What me I told you about it. I told you don't even thinking of to enter unless if a 4 hour candle came and closing above that level here. Not closing by a tail, to close by the body of it here. Why? Why that level? Exactly that level here. Because of one thing, guys. Look with me here in the chart of us what we have. That level here, it's very, very, very stronger level. Zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see it here. We came the last time here, and the market from here it reversed. Yes or no? From here it reversed till down here. It touched here because even that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. Now the market showing here is going there. Yes or no? Now we need a candle to come and to break for us here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter long. And it's need to break for us even the downtrend, that one. Because Terno also is still in a very, very sharp downtrend, guys. It's not yet the right moment to enter long. I tell you those things thousands of times. And here, what me I show you in the bigger picture here. Look with me here, very, very close, guys. That a downtrend here. It's being broke here. The market was it done here. It went up till here. Then he fell down sharply and enter inside that trend line. What that indicating to you? All that break here, it's being a false breakout. Yes or no? And now also we go back inside the downtrend. For us to know that one is just a manipulation from market makers or whatever who they are, it's need that one to come back and to break for us out from here. If it doesn't, that man also we go back to the normal situation of the market. That's when the market is going to fall down more till 12k 867. Remember that number, 12,867. Everything is too clear, guys. So if it doesn't give us here a double bottom like that, breaking here, there is no entry yet. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they say for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, if you remember, when it touched here the oversold area, we told you is going to reverse. Now look where we are. We are in the middle here. Should we buy? No, guys. Also, we're still here in the control of the bears. There is no balls here. Look at that. Make it like that. Over here, the bears, they playing or they taking control. And over here, the bulls, they taking control. So us here, we still in the bears control. There's no bulls control in here. All that, you see it? It's just a correction. But the bears, they still controlling the market. If the market doesn't break that wall here, there is no entry here. And me, what did I told you personally? I'm thinking. I told you it might is going to go till here to touch the divergence trend line. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, yes, us, we are here at the oversold area. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Third things, what is it? People being following us. Write it down in a comment. Tell us what is it the third thing. The third thing is the price action. Yes, some people, they are going to tell you because I saw it and I saw some people online and in Twitter, they said we got here a triangle here or whatever, and I show you why it's need to give you here a double bottom, not a triangle, because that level here, it's need to give us here a double bottom like that. Yes, you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in a safe place. It's need to give you here like that, a double bottom. Not the first bottom here, second bottom is here. If it doesn't, there is no entry here in the 4 hours. Remember those things very, very, very well. I said it thousands of times. Why? Why that level? Look with me here, very, very close here. Also, we got here a stronger supply and demand zone. From here, it used to reacting like a support. Yes or no? When it's being broken, it's being reacting here like a resistance. If it doesn't come a candle and break here, there is no entry, guys. It might, that market here is going to come just to touch here, that level, then it's going to react like a resistance. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down. So all that here is just a resting time, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, watch me, I told you here in the last video. Here, what did I told you here? People, they watching the last video, what did I told you? Go now in the comment and tell me what did I told you. You write your comment, I told you, you got here like that, a triangle. And what did I told you about it? I told you if the market break down here, you enter short. Take profit, it's need to be here at that supply and demand zone here, as you see it here, that one and that one. Yes or no? And what did I told you that 2 videos ago? What did I told you here about 30 minutes? Look at it very, very, very clear now. Look at the 200 moving average, what it's telling you. Look here, we being resting. Look here, we being trending. Look now, we are resting. That's a market structure, yes or no? So that level where we are here, what the 200 moving average is telling you? It's telling you we are resting. We are sideways here. There is no volume here. It's only small spectaculars. They are in the market. No big whales entering. Big whales is still waiting. And look at it even here. Look here. Look at the 200 moving average. That blue line here. Look at it. Look now when it's being trending here, what it's doing. Look at that level where we are now. What it's showing to you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, it's showing us here we are at the oversold area. Yes or no? And I show you the divergence we got here. I show it to you like that. You got a divergence, guys. Should you enter short? I told you how. You make it like that. If it market came and break a lower here, you enter short, guys. Remember those things. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.